Virgin Galactic is about to rocket 4 people, including the company's founder Richard Branson, to the edge of space. Here's all you need to know about this mission, including its dates, timings, what is this mission for, etc. So first we'll see when is this mission going to launch. This mission is set to launch on Sunday, July 11 at 9 AM ET, that is 6:30 PM IST. If the flight goes as planned, Branson would be the first person to launch to space aboard his own company's commercial vehicle. So now we'll see where can we watch this live. You can see this live on space.com on Sunday, July 11th for complete coverage of Virgin Galactic's Spaceship 2 launch with Richard Branson. You can also watch this stream on YouTube. I'll leave a link to the stream in the description. So now we'll see what is the main motive of this mission. Building on the success of the company's most recent spaceflight in May, Unity 22 will focus on cabin and customer experience objectives, including evaluating the commercial customer cabin with a full crew, including the cabin environment, seat comfort, the weightless experience and the views of Earth that the spaceship delivers, all to ensure every moment of the astronaut's journey maximizes the wonder and awe created by space travel. Number 2. Demonstrating the conditions for conducting human-tended research experiments. Number 3. Confirming the training program at Spaceport America supports the spaceflight experience. So that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching this video till the end. Make sure to like this video if you found it useful.